Hello everyone, this video is divided into three parts: ball check valve display, factory display and showroom display. Let us beginning. Welcome to Qingdao Flow, your trusted partner in high-quality valve manufacturing since 2010, specializing in a wide range of fully equipped valves and accessories. We cater to diverse industries including petroleum, chemical, urban water supply and drainage, shipbuilding, medicine, and more. Our commitment to excellence and customer care sets us apart in the industry. We can offer comprehensive valve solutions and wide industry applications. With over 10 years of experience, we proudly serve international clients in more than 50 countries, with our products featured in high-profile projects like Shangri-La Hotel, IKEA, Milan Expo, and Costco vessels.